In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a project in Wrike. Pinning a project is a simple but very useful way to keep your most important work right at your fingertips. When a project is pinned, it's easier to find, quicker to access, and you won't waste time scrolling or searching every time you open Wrike. So let's walk through exactly how to do it step by step, and I'll explain a few helpful tips along the way. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike account and that you're in the right workspace. Navigate to the section where your projects are listed. This might be in the main projects or folders area or inside a specific space, depending on how your workspace is organized. Take a moment to find the project you want to pin. Once you've located that project in the list, look closely at the row or tile where the project's name appears. On that same line, you'll see a small pin icon. It usually looks like a traditional push pin. If you hover your mouse over the project name or the area next to it, the pin icon may become more visible, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. To pin the project, simply click on that pin icon beside the project. After you click it, the icon will typically change appearance, often becoming filled in or highlighted. This visual change indicates that the project has been successfully pinned. Once pinned, the project will now appear in a dedicated pinned area or at the top of relevant lists, depending on your Wrike layout and settings. This means you'll be able to access it quickly from your sidebar or from your recent items, without having to search for it every single time. If you ever change your mind or no longer need quick access to that project, you can unpin it just as easily. Go back to the same project, look for the same pin icon beside it, and click it again. When the pin icon returns to its original unhighlighted state, that means the project is no longer pinned. That's all there is to it. By clicking the pin icon beside your project, you can keep your key